Hello and congratulations! If you've made it to this video, you completed the course. We just finished the module about email forensics, so you should be very proud of yourself. Now, you're in a great position if you want to keep learning more about forensics or perform forensic investigation in a Windows environment. So remember, if you haven't downloaded the additional material for this course, I recommend you to do that, and check the references as well for a better understanding of the topics covered. You are going to find notes, cards, and more helpful information to help you in your studies. I encourage you to practice using the guides. Cybrary has a lot of labs that you can do or in your Windows machine. Just remember, practice is key. Just a quick recap of everything we covered in this course. In Module 1, we talk about some basic information, the definition of Windows forensics, and why it is important. We discussed some common myths and how, opposite to what people think, Windows forensics is not easy, because it has many undocumented features. As you probably remember, we also studied the forensic investigation methodology, which is the same in any scenario. Module 2 was about imaging in Windows. We defined the concept of imaging, the principles and the structure of a Windows operating system. We talk about the physical and logical drive nomenclature, why the letter used for the main disk is C, as well as some registry entries. In Module 3, we performed some hands-on exercises about imaging with DD. We covered what DD is, its basic operation, some DD commands, and what can you do with this tool. We also explained some DD logical drive examples, covering physical memory, how to look at memory, and what can you find when analyzing it. Module 4 was about some memory analysis tools in Windows. We defined each tool, what are they for, their capability, and the basic commands. We also had some labs as hands-on experience and some questions as in every module to test your knowledge. In Module 5, we learned about the security identifier in Windows, what it is, its structure, and what can we learn from it in a forensic examination. Module 6 was about the Windows registry or system registry, which is a very important place to look when performing a forensic examination. We defined the different Hive and keys such as SAM, security, software, system, and the default key. What can you find in them, as well as some new registry Hive added in Windows 8 such as ELAM and BVI, and the registry root keys. In Module 7, we covered the analysis of the evidence, some general registry info to look for, footprints, search history, URLs, commands executed in the machine, as well as some files. We studied a Windows tool that can help us to discover or to analyze the evidence gathered. Module 8 is the Windows Prefetch, another of the Windows Essentials. We learned the definition and how it is populated, as well as the functionality and difference according to the version of the operating system. Following with the Windows Essentials, in Module 9 we covered the restore points, another key aspect in a Windows forensic analysis, in which we can discover so many secrets about the machine. We analyzed the registry and how it is the best place to look and how can we take advantage of this. Some registry keys were present in this module, as well as some Windows integrated tools. In Module 10, we learned all the discoveries that we can make by analyzing the recycle bin, which is another of the Windows Essentials. We discussed how important it is, as well as where we can find it, and also how it changes from one version to another. In Module 11, we analyzed some pertinent files, such as some Microsoft Office files, pictures, and browser information. There were some step-by-step guides in order to get you to gather some important information as evidence which can be vital in a forensic examination. Module 12 was about Windows artifacts, some additional places to look when analyzing a Windows machine such as cookies, the desktop folder, application data, and so much more. It is very important that a forensic investigator knows the different places to look for specific information. In Module 13, we learned that every USB device connected at any point in time to the machine is saved in the registry. We studied USB store and how can we analyze it, what information can be extracted from it, and how important it is. Additionally, we performed some exercises with tools to analyze it. Module 14 was about steganography, which is a very important technique to hide information in files. We studied the definition, how it differs from cryptography, and of course, how this fits in the universe of digital forensics. We also used some tools to hide and extract information from image files. And lastly, in Module 15, we analyzed the structure of emails, which is known as email forensics. For this, we study how an email is composed and what information we can extract from an email header. So thank you so much for taking this course. I want to encourage you, if you don't have a Cybrary Premium membership, it opens so much information for you. You can get labs which can help in your studies and to practice all the knowledge obtained. Again, thank you for taking the course and see you in the next one.